What a landing! Yes! Woo-hoo. Right, we've just stumbled on the little fisherman's hideout. There's the boats and all the little outboard motors. There's a little hook on the stone there thing. This is good, this is good times, people, good times. Sorry for the orange training shoes, but the only ones they had clean. Let's have a look at the kid. He's got his toothbrush, toothpaste, and all his bits and bobs. I suppose if you live on the Mekong Delta, then this is your lifestyle. And boats, yeah, long boats. Have a little look. Ooh, I don't think so. Did you hear that there? It's definitely going to crack. What a lifestyle, eh? Seeing the current there? There's a current going this way, current on the other side going that way. Awesome place though, eh? Right, let's get out of here.
No problem!
So I've got to say, north-east Thailand, bordering on the borders of Laos and Cambodia, are just incredible. You've got vastness of jungle, forestry, national parks, they're all here. This is motorbike heaven. We were talking today to some guys from Chiang Mai who have come down here to do the motorbikes, to ride the routes. Spin the camera on and just show them the type of roads we're on. So the roads that we're riding now, the asphalt is just super smooth, and there's just miles and miles or kilometres and kilometres of this type of road. Yep. Right, let's go and find somewhere to go. A waterfall, because there's bound to be one out here somewhere. This might not do it justice. Just the descent that we're going through at the moment on these tracks. Honestly, 27 kilometers we're on here for, and some of it's just getting ridiculous. Like I'm going to show you now. Now people, that won't do it justice, this GoPro, but that was steep. Like that. If I said it was like that, it was like that. That was mental. But it's put the truck through its paces, and it handled everything. Baja mode, four-wheel drive, and it just ate it all up. What a machine. Right, let's keep on going. Right, we come to some dilemma here because the map's showing us straight on, but these little dodgy bridges, that hardly hold any weight. Yeah, they're in our road. Come on. Shat myself there. What a spot we've got here. Oh, look at this. This is right on top of the canopy, people. Look at this. We managed to get the truck through here.